Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher.
Will you say states and capitals? Okay, tell. Assam, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh, Chandigarh, Goa, Gujarat, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Manipur, Kerala, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tripura, Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Mizoram. Very good.